guys, welcome to or back to my channel. Let's get you on a nice angle. Hey, I'm Ellen if you're new here, and all you have to know about this video is I love autumn time and Halloween. I have hit up TKMaxx, which I think is the same as HomeSense, Poundland and Primark to get cutesy things for around the house to make it a bit more cozy, autumny, fall-y in here. So I have aimed to get stuff that's mainly centered around fall and autumn, not stuff that's centered around Halloween. I got some really cute Halloween decorations last year, but I'm thinking they're probably not going to come out until like end of September, early October, because I don't want Halloween decorations out just yet, but I do want to make the house more kind of autumn inspired because I love autumn and I'm ready to kind of get into that season. So like I said, yeah, I got some stuff from TKMaxx and HomeSense, Primark and Poundland. I also checked out Flying Tiger. So I'm going to quickly swipe to that portion of the video, which is like the come shop with me, which shows you everything I looked at. I didn't want to spend too much money. I just wanted to get some things that I feel like will last me through the season and then also carry on and still be cute like next autumn as well, and I can just pull them back out. If you're new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying the video throughout. I make London life videos and slow fashion, thrifted fashion videos as well. So that's my main niche. I do a lot of how to shop sustainably and slow fashion, thrifted content over on my Instagram, which is ellensinwonderland, if you want to go check that out. After this video is finished, of course, though, so I'm just going to quickly, without further ado, because I've been talking for 2 minutes, slide into the come shop with me so you can see everything they've got going on in all of those shops I've discussed.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
So I wanted to treat myself to a candle on payday. I've just got to find the right one. It's the pumpkin spice smells I really like. So I also want the candle to be cute. So this is...
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place.
This stuff is all very like Halloween focused, whereas I think I'm more looking for like full decor at the moment. I'm gonna go check in Wilko's and see if they've got anything as well, but I think I'm definitely gonna get this candle. I'm gonna have a look at this stuff anyway. Oh my god, look at the cat. Oh my god, that's so cute. She's a little cat witch and a little mouse rat. Oh no, they're rats. Oh my god, that's so cute. How much is that? $4.99. Oh my god, it's amazing. It's got a little rat in there as well. I also absolutely love these. So they've got like the hand on them. So cool. And they're $5.99. Oh, I love that. That's so cool. So this is like more the kind of thick fall stuff. How much are they? $9.99 for the 3 little pumpkins in there. Oh my god, this is amazing. Look at that. That's so fun. Just spotted down here some like, oh my god, it's a whole set. I thought it was just the cookie cutters, but it's like Halloween cookie cutters and like a really cool bowl to mix them in. Oh, that's so cool. And then some more dinner plates and some more candles.
I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel bored or worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade.
This one is god, this is so nice. Oh my god, how much is this? $14.99. This is so cute. They're more like, it's got more of them. What's this one gonna say? Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. This isn't Halloween, but stop, that is so cute. It's £24. I don't need it. It looks like they've got another. Oh no, it's the same one. They're so beautifully like embroidered as well. So cute. Cute little bats. Which is this guy? $12.99. What's up, witches? Oh my god, I love that. If I still lived with Emily, I feel like I'd get that, but it doesn't fit in this house. How much is she? Oh my god, she's so cute. At these. Oh my god, how much are they? $9.99. So gorgeous. And then there's like a silver one as well. So pretty. Oh my god, what is this? I love it. $16.99. Oh my god, that's amazing. Not really much yet in Tiger, but I've still got Primark, which is the main reason I came here. And also I think they have a Poundland in here, so I might check that out as well and see if there's anything in there. I have found the pumpkins. They are £2.50. Oh, they're really cute. I'll probably pick up one of these because it's really sweet. And then, oh god, this apparently is a candle. I'm not sure about that one. What's this? Oh my god. For £1, these little mushrooms. So cute. They've also got... Look at these pillows, they're £12. Their colour palette is so nice. Yeah, 12. And then there's like the sheepskin. Oh, they've got bigger pumpkins as well. How much are these? £6. And this weird little apple, I'm not sure how I feel about that. £2.50. And a pear as well. I really like this. How much are they? £4. I might get one of those too, actually. It's nice. And a small snuggly fro. £5. I love this colour palette. It goes so well with the chair in our living room. And then they've got the like wreaths as well. Poundland have already got their Christmas stuff in, which is wild to me. They've got like all these different, I don't know what a gonk is, gnome type things, craft sets, and then over here they've got their fairy lights, Christmas cards. Dad. You've seen what was actually in the shops. I'll show you everything I picked up. It's all in this Primark bag, but the Primark bag did rip on the way home because I had so much like heavy stuff in it, which was a shame because I was really, well, it was a shame because my orange juice from my Happy Meal fell out, which was quite sad. I went and got a Happy Meal after I'd done my shopping as a little treat to myself to say happy autumn, and also because I'm purely Pokemon obsessed, and it's the free gift at the moment is Pokemon cards, and the nostalgia was real. I would highly recommend going to get one. But I got a little orange juice in my Happy Meal and the bag broke and the orange juice dropped out. But I'm quite pleased it was just the orange juice that dropped out and not all the cute things I bought. I actually, like, you know, you've got like issues with shopping. When I had to check the receipt when I got home, I checked everything in the bag and I had to check it and match the receipt to check that I had everything I bought, because I honestly just couldn't remember everything I'd bought. So everything was there, we just lost the orange juice. Phew. So I'm going to start with TKMaxx / HomeSense, and we all know that HomeSense and TKMaxx are the queen, king, whatever gender they would like to be, of candles. So I picked up, it's just a Spice Pumpkin hand poured number, and I just thought this one was so cute. Look at that gorgeous packaging, and then on the top it's got like this little pumpkin car, and it's just so cute. And I don't know, it smelled way nicer than a lot of the others as well. Like, I find some of the others can be so sickly sweet, whereas to be fair, this is sickly sweet, but like in like a more natural way, rather than I find like Yankee Candle and stuff can be like almost quite like artificial smelling, whereas this, I don't know, has like a very like a natural sweetness to it that I really appreciate. And I just thought the packaging was exquisite. So we haven't lit it yet, but it will be being lit soon. I'm going to show you the Primark stuff, because that's where I bought the bulk of my stuff. I got these little, I think they're called like bunny tails or something. I've just seen that this product is flammable. Okay, so I should not burn a candle near it. Yeah, I think they're called bunny tails, but they're so cute. I've got dried flowers all over the flat actually, because I buy fresh flowers during spring, and then I've kind of seemed to have transitioned to fake flower or dried. These are fake, I'd say, but I do have like dried flowers as well for autumn and winter. But I have one vase left that is going to be my real flower vase. Oh my god, I've just opened these and they've spilled everywhere. Okay, we'll deal with that later. But anyway, they're super cute. I'll show you the vase I'm gonna put them in, and the this little section up here basically is gonna become like my autumn section. So it will be done all cute, and I will show you obviously in like overlays as the video goes on. Also from Primark, I picked up, oh, that's gonna really bug me. I'll have to get the Hoover out and get that up. I also picked up this cute little pumpkin. I think he was, oh, they were £4. He was £2.50. So cute, and it's just a little like pumpkin ornament, gold with a white pumpkin. So cute. I just can't, why does it have holes in the bottom? Yeah, it's just an ornament. And yeah, so cute. I think it's just gonna look so cute propped up next to the vase. And what I also got, which is why I was mentioning that I can't, but I don't think I'm gonna burn this near that, is this gorgeous candle. So on one side it says it's elderflower, which obviously isn't very like fall related. This was £2, but I love the like yellow and the gold, and I just think these two are gonna go so beautifully together. Like just a little display. It actually does smell quite nice, but I don't know, I can't see me really burning it. I never think Primark candles really create too much smell, but this one was really pretty. I don't really normally buy Primark candles, but I did think that one was very pretty, so I did pick it up. And I think it was mainly because it just goes so well with the little pumpkin as well. So cute. And then I also picked up this, which again, I don't know if it's really that fall related, but I just felt it went with everything I was getting. This was only £3 as well, which is just amazing considering these are like normally really expensive. And I feel like it looks like premium as well. Like it doesn't look like a cheap little shitty thing. And it is a candle holder, so it's a dinner candle holder, but this is quite like low. So I'm interested, actually I think I've got a candle, let's have a look. I think I've got a candle in this very drawer. Yeah, I do. Let me see. Let's get the one that hasn't been burned yet. Yeah, like, I'm not sure about that. I feel like I'm gonna have to melt the bottom and like smoosh it in a bit more. I've got some bigger candles, but they're doing some stuff up there. Let's see if a bigger candle looks. So I've got a yellow one and a pink one. I think I'm gonna go for the pink. I don't know, I've got two of the bigger ones. They're probably better, or I could just pop two. I got this from Tiger, so I could just pop to Tiger and get another one, but thinking the yellow is going to be better. Yeah, that's much better, that candle. So that's a shame, because the cream one just would have done the job quite nicely. But yeah, super cute, £3, really simple, really easy. I then picked these up, which was so cute. It's these two little mushroom ornaments, and these were £1 each. They are so so darling, so cute, and I couldn't not for £1. I feel like they look a little like, I don't know, like, you know, like the wooden, I think it's called Missouri kids toy parenting things. They have that energy to me, but very cute. I think they'll again go with the whole little like range aesthetic that I've got going on. I then hit up Poundland, which I posted a video on TikTok. I'll see if I can like pop it here. Everybody's basically rushing to Starbucks, or TikTok is making it seem like everybody's rushing to Starbucks to get that pumpkin mug. And I basically found a, like, it doesn't look as nice, but like a version of it in Poundland. So this is the Poundland knockoff of the pumpkin Starbucks mug. I don't like the grey handle as much as the green one, but it's still so cute. And this was £1.50, and I think the Starbucks one is about £14. So quite a big price difference there. But yeah, I posted this video on TikTok and it went a little bit viral. Everybody is basically telling me off for not gatekeeping this mug. It's a mug. I don't know. It's a mug, and I think the people that can't afford the Starbucks one should be able to know about this one because it's a bargain. And I got that one, and because I live with Pete and I felt like we needed one each, he can be the pumpkin and I could be the witch's cauldron. This one, there was a little ghost as well, but I'm obsessed with this witch's cauldron. It even stands on 4 points, again £1.50, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a shiny, like, what would you call this? What do you call this, like, look, I forget. But so chromey kind of vibe on the top. It is so cute, and everyone was commenting on my TikTok video saying that they don't actually last very long, but you know what, I don't even care, it's so cute. So yeah, picked up those two mugs from Poundland. They were £1.50 each. Another funny comment on my TikTok video was that's not very Poundland of them, which I thought was quite funny because obviously they're £1.50 instead of £1. Funny. Yeah, so that is that's everything I picked up actually. I didn't pick up too much, but I wanted to show you what was out there anyway if you're interested in decorating your home. And I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you made it to the end, please do remember to hit that subscribe button. If you're new here, let me know what other kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.